Starting Next.js project. Now we shall start our first Next.js project and we shall understand its folder structure. Let's start. Go to the command prompt. I shall go to my folder Next.js. Now here we type our special command npx create next app at latest Next.js 001. It is creating the folder structure and downloading details. Actually, we can also use yarn. If you have installed, would you like TypeScript? Yes. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes. Tailwind, CSS? Yes. SRC directory? Yes. By default it is no, and I want this, so it is yes. App router? Yes. No. Yeah. It's creating the structure right now. And what I was telling, we can use yarn also. Yarn create next app, that is then our project name. After creating this, we shall go to our project folder, that is our Next.js 001, Next.js 001, and then we shall open our text editor, that is our Visual Code, and we shall proceed next. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's downloading all the files, all the dependencies. Please wait. Yes, it's done. cd Next.js 001 code dot. It opens this file. Let's go to our command prompt. Control Shift tilde npm run dev. Next.js is running. Actually, this is a total server, so initially it starts slowly. Yes, this is our first app, and let's go to our folder structure, different folder structure. Here is the source folder. Mainly we shall work on this folder and public folder. In the public folder we have some images. In this folder we have in the source folder we have our app folder, and this app contains the route handlers for your application. This app folder, it has some files, already have some files, and the files inside this directory correspond to routes in your application. For example, source app page.tsx, source page.tsx. This is our home route, and uh, this is our home route. And if we using, and this is our layout. This is the total layout of, this is our home. Inside there is our home, and this children is our home. This children is our home. Is prompt is as children. This is our home, and we shall use this folder also, this file also. And it has some styles. Global.css is its styles. It has some tailwind, this thing, and some other CSS commands are there. We shall delete these commands. We shall, in our page.tsx, we shall delete file div. This is home page. This is home page. It's written here. This is home page. This is our file. And there are some other files are there also. Suppose gitignore. In the gitignore file, this file specifies which files and directories should be ignored by Git. By default, it ignores node modules, all the node modules, and some other files, environment files. Environment files extension is env. I think it's there. Vim env is not there, but we should remove. Yes, env file is there. Env file, we should remove the .env files, and .env, .local, etc. These files we should remove. We should ignore those files. And Next.config.js, Next.config.js, Next.config.mjs, Next.config.mjs. It has some configuration for the Next.js file. And package.json, we found that file in our React project also. It has some settings, name of the project, version, etc., etc. So here you find that tailwind CSS is here, TypeScript is here, etc. React and React DOM is there. It is above 18 and version 18 and above. Next is version 14 and above. Now there is one readme file. Where is that readme file? Readme. Yes, this is the readme.md. This file is there. It shows how to run this. And readme, then tsconfig.json file. This file is there. Here TypeScript configuration file is there, and tailwind.config.js, tailwind.config.js. This file, you have created such files in React project also, and these files maintains our Tailwind installation. Now these log files are there. Where are those log files? JSON, yeah, package log JSON file. log file is there. These files log the versions of your installed dependencies, ensuring that same versions are used when others install the project dependencies. Same versions are used when others install the project dependencies. Same version are used, this log file. And it runs at localhost 3000. Okay. Now you understood the folder structure. You can configure building your Next.js application. And I think you have successfully set up the Next.js 14 project and familiarized yourself with this folder. With this folder structure. From here you can start developing your web application using app folder for routing, creating reusable components and organizing your styles and assets. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is for today.